So please, if you're new here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Today, I'm going to teach you a simple trick. Obviously, that when you watch TikTok, you go to TikTok, you see people doing skit, and you see them holding phone, using the phone as a speaker. And sometimes, me too, at first, I was like, hey, how are they using phone as a speaker, and how is the phone connecting to the other phone so that it can make the sound clear? I realized that it's not that they have connected it, they simply do this trick. So come with me, let me show you how they do the trick.
You see this phone? This is the phone that they will be using to record the audio. They will first record the audio on one phone and record the video on the other. So it's as simple as that. So they will take this phone, put a demo. There's a demo on, if you are having an iPhone, this iPhone 7. iPhone 7 has a demo on it. So if you are using an iPhone 7, there's a demo. Then they'll record the the audio on the demo. So when they record the audio on the demo, then they record the video on the other phone. So if they record the demo here, then they, after that, they go to their editing app, any app that they are using, CapCut, whatever you are using, in short. Then they merge the two content together. So if you merge the two content together, you have a video and audio very clear. But when you are using other means, you see that the video will not be clear, the audio will not be clear. If you are using other means, you see that the audio won't be clear. But if you are using the phone, is cheaper and is also clearer. So that's why if you check online, TikTok especially, you see those creating short content, you see them holding phone. If, like, take note of them, they are holding a phone and it's like they are talking, it's like they are making call with it. No, they are recording their voices on that phone. So it's an easy way to get a clearer voice, a clearer content. So if you have any comment and as a suggestion and that of this post, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you next time in our next post. This is Sanlam TV, where you get entertainment as it is. Let's create content, great one as that. Sanlam TV, entertainment as it is.